The bedsheet industry in India is worth 488 billion. So the question is, will your brand grow with it? Starting an online bedsheet business is not just about selling the fabric, it's about building a profitable brand from the ground up, from marketing research to resources to creating a product catalog to building a brand website and choosing the right marketing channels. Every single step matters, and in this competitive digital space, your growth depends on how smart your marketing strategy is. So that is where 360 Digital Idea comes in, your partner for SEO, social media, content, and ads that actually bring in loyal customers, drive traffic, and deliver results to you. So whether you are launching your business or scaling up your online bedsheet business, do not do it alone. Tap the link and let 360 Digital Idea turn your online bedsheet business into a recognized online brand.